Want to get the best gaming performance or save battery while playing? Here's how to choose the best game optimization mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Scroll down the screen. Tap Game Booster Settings. Tap Game Optimization. Here you will see three options. Performance. The smooth gives you the smoothest gameplay possible by using more system resources and power. Balance. The default setting that gives you good performance while saving a bit of battery. And battery saver. It reduces graphic quality and performance slightly but extend your playtime. So if you want smooth gameplay, you can choose performance. Once selected, it applies to all your games. As a note, you can also open Game Booster during a game. The icon appears at the bottom left corner of the screen, and that's it. Pick the right mode based on your style, whether you are a pro gamer or just playing to pass time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.